Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at IHear.com, an online store that claims to offer affordable hearing aids designed to make your world crystal clear. They boast products like the Clarity Pro CIC and BT Bluetooth models, promising a discreet and rechargeable experience. It all sounds wonderful, provided you enjoy gambling with your sensory organs. But before you open your wallet, let's see if this website is actually legit or just a very quiet scam. The first red flag popped up faster than a cheap toaster. According to registry info, this site was only born in July 2025. They're so new they've barely had time to clear their browser cookies, let alone build a reputation. While everyone has to start somewhere, a total lack of history makes it incredibly hard to trust them right off the bat. It's like taking medical advice from a toddler in a lab coat. Next, we took a closer look at their impressive product lineup. The photos look professional, but a quick trip through Google Lens revealed that most of them were shamelessly copied from other sites. If a company can't even be bothered to take a real picture of the plastic they're selling, you have to wonder if the products even exist outside of a Photoshop layer. To make matters worse, there is zero information about who actually runs this brand. No names, no faces, and no physical address. Just a generic sales pitch that feels like it was generated by a particularly desperate AI. Then there's the actual safety concern, which is where the fun really stops. We're talking about hearing devices here, yet there are no doctor recommendations, no medical certificates, and zero proof that these things won't just blast white noise into your brain. Hearing aids aren't exactly something you want to DIY with unverified hardware. Their marketing is also suspiciously aggressive, featuring autumn blowout sales with 80% off. Because nothing screams high-end medical technology like a clearance bin discount. If you look at the reviews on their own website, everything is sunshine and rainbows, written in that perfectly polished tone that smells like a marketing department. However, the reality on Trustpilot is a bit more grim. While they hold a 3.7-star rating, a large chunk of those glowing reviews look suspiciously manufactured. The genuine users are busy reporting missing orders, unresponsive customer service, and the distinct feeling of being scammed. The bottom line is that this site looks about as reliable as a screen door on a submarine. Between the lack of transparency, the stolen images, and the sketchy feedback, it's safe to say you should probably look elsewhere. It's better to pay for a real doctor than a fake discount. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, do like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching and stay safe.